Hi, I'm Jackie with Century Interactive, and today I'm going to show you an in-depth look at all the information we can get from a single call using our dynamic website tracking. For context, this screenshot is a phone call from a car dealership that's using our dynamic website tracking on their site. First, we'll look here at the customer information and see that Carlos Fernandez, with this phone number, went to Google and typed in Honda Accord Scottsdale. When he typed in that search, he ended up clicking on a Google AdWords ad. When he clicked on that ad, it took him to the home page of the dealership's website. We actually follow Carlos through the different pages he clicked on throughout the site. When he was on this specific 2010 Honda Accord page, he decided to place a phone call. If we go up here to the recording, we'd actually be able to listen to that call. We can see the tracking number here, which we've labeled main website number, and we can see that he rang into the used car sales department. We've actually built a bridge for the dealership so that the customers can choose to go to the used car sales department, the new car sales department, the parts department, or the service department. We can see that it took about 9 seconds for the dealership to answer Carlos's phone call, and they talked for about 10 minutes. We can even tell that it was Carolyn Kane at the dealership that handled the phone call. Here's a map of where Carlos came from, which we gather from his phone number. We can even see recent calls to or from the customer. In this case, we can see that the dealership placed 2 outbound calls to Carlos. Up here, we can quickly share this and email the call to anybody we want, or we can send the call to our automotive coaching experts. Finally, down here we see our Humanadic categories, where our live human reviewers have reviewed the call to determine whether or not this call was an opportunity for new business. In this case, our human reviewers had determined that, yes, in fact, this was a good call and was an opportunity for new business. That's all this screen shows us, and of course, there's much higher level looks at all of the information we can get from our dynamic website tracking.